Has the dream of a truly helpful AI assistant, one that seamlessly integrates into our lives, already been realized? Or are we still just playing with glorified chatbots? That question, right there, is at the heart of what we're going to be talking about today. Because for a long time, the conversation around AI has been dominated by a handful of players, and Google's Gemini has always been a key part of that. But the AI landscape changes at a blistering pace. A model that was state-of-the-art 6 months ago can feel ancient today. So, in the middle of 2025, with so many options available, with new models, new features, and new promises launching every single week, the big question is Gemini still worth using? And I'm not just talking about the free, public version you might have on your phone. I'm talking about the full ecosystem. The advanced models, the new features, the deep integrations, the things that are really pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. To answer this, we're not just going to do a simple yes or no. We're going to break down Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Flash. We'll look at the new Deep Think mode, the massive context window, and how it's being used in the real world. We'll compare it to the competition, talk about the pricing, and by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of whether Gemini is the right AI for you in 2025. So, let's start with the big one. What's new with Gemini in 2025? If you haven't been paying close attention, you might have missed a lot. The biggest news is the jump to the Gemini 2.5 series. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a fundamental shift in capability. The headline feature is what Google calls a thinking model. It's not just generating a response, it's reasoning through its thoughts, analyzing information, and drawing logical conclusions before it even begins to form an answer. This is a massive leap forward. And we're seeing this play out in a new feature called Deep Think. Deep Think is an experimental mode that takes a moment to consider multiple possible solutions before replying. It's designed for complex problems that require creativity, strategic planning, and iterative development. Imagine a programmer using it to build a complex web app from a single prompt, or a researcher using it to aid in scientific discovery by reasoning through a complex problem step by step. It's a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just a tool for generating text, but a true partner in problem solving. This isn't just about faster or more accurate answers, it's about better, more well-reasoned answers. But the upgrades don't stop there. Gemini 2.5 Pro ships with a 1 million token context window, with a 2 million token window coming soon. To put that in perspective, 1 million tokens is a lot. It's enough to comprehend vast datasets, analyze entire code repositories, or handle complex problems from different information sources like text, images, audio, and video all at once. This is a game changer for anyone who works with large amounts of data, whether you're a legal professional reviewing contracts, a student analyzing a textbook, or a marketer sifting through customer feedback. And speaking of multimodal, Gemini's native multimodality is still a massive differentiator. It was built from the ground up to understand different types of input simultaneously. This isn't just about a chatbot that can also process an image. It's about a model that can watch a video, analyze the audio, and understand the text on the screen, all in one go. We've seen demonstrations of it creating an interactive animation from a single line of text or generating executable code to create a video game. That's not just cool, that's incredibly powerful and opens up a whole new world of creative and technical possibilities. So, the new features are impressive, but how does Gemini stack up against the competition in 2025? It's a crowded field, and a lot of the conversation still boils down to Gemini versus ChatGPT. And to be honest, there's no single winner. It's about the right tool for the right job. For pure, unadulterated text generation and conversational fluency, many still find ChatGPT's ecosystem and third-party integrations to be incredibly robust. Its developer-first environment and broad community support make it a go-to for building custom agents and chat-driven applications. But where Gemini truly shines is in its native multimodality and deep integration with Google's ecosystem. If your work revolves around long documents, complex data analysis, or needs to process multiple types of information at once, like text, images, and video, Gemini is arguably the better choice. Its strengths in these areas make it particularly compelling for industries like finance, healthcare, and legal, where long documents and compliance are key. The new models, especially with DeepThink, are also showing a significant lead in coding benchmarks and complex problem solving. While ChatGPT is catching up on the multimodal front, Gemini was built with it at its core, and that's a difference you can feel when you're using it. Another major competitor is Llama 4, which has emerged as a very strong open-source alternative. The Llama 4 Maverick model, with its massive parameter count and multimodal capabilities, is a serious contender and has even been shown to outperform some of the top proprietary models on core benchmarks. This is a huge win for the open-source community and for anyone who wants more control and flexibility over their AI tools. So, the competitive landscape is more vibrant than ever. And that brings us to another critical point: pricing. Is all this power going to cost you a fortune? The good news is, Google still offers a robust free tier. With the free plan, you get access to the Gemini 2.5 Flash and Gemini 2.5 Flashlight models, which are perfect for everyday tasks like brainstorming, writing, and quick research. You even get limited access to Gemini 2.5 Pro within Google apps like Docs and Gmail, along with Imagen 4 for image generation. It's a great way to dip your toes in without any commitment. For those who want to unlock the full potential, the Gemini Advanced plan is where it's at. For $19.99 a month, you get access to the most advanced model, Gemini 2.5 Pro, along with a suite of exclusive features. This includes deep research for generating detailed reports, and access to Gemini's powerful capabilities directly within Google apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This is the plan for professionals and power users who are looking to integrate AI deeply into their workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.